Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ads variations. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome, and then you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar, and then you have to go to the first website from here, and here you will get the option of sign in or start now, whichever it prefers for you. Just simply go for that, and then it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from here. And once you click on the campaigns option, you have to just simply click on the experiments option from here. And once you click on the experiments option, then what you need to do is it will simply take you to this tab, and from here you have to just simply click on the add variations option from the top bar. Here you can see the add variations option. Just simply click on it, and once you in the add variations, you have to just simply click on the plus icon like that. Here you can see in the top navigation bar, just simply click on the plus icon, and here it will take you to the new add variation. And from here you have to just simply put in your all the details like that, and then you have to just simply click on continue, and after that it will simply create your new add variation. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.